Hey, what's up guys? So I wanted to work on the car today, but as you guys can see, this car is lowered and I can't really fit my jack stands on there. So I was gonna go and look for wood planks that I could put on the wheels and drive on so I could lift the car up. But then I kind of have the, I guess, urge to go to Craiglist and actually look for something called QuickJack. And because of that, I actually found one, and I found one that was really cheap for what it's worth. So I got it right over here. So if you guys don't know, these things usually cost around $1,300, and then in addition to that, tax or shipping probably bumps it up to $1,500. So for the guy selling this for $500, I just had to do it because I can't really, pass up this deal. And I'm pretty sure this is gonna be like a convenient thing from now on because I won't have to go under the car, go on, finding jacking point and stuff. So probably will save a lot of time. And as far as the videos I've watched, people usually get their car up in the air in around 30 seconds. So it lives up to its name, QuickJack. And if you guys don't already see this car is pretty convenient. So the guy did ask me to bring a truck because this is like 5 feet long, but just folding the seats down and that seat up, I was able to fit this there, no problem. Alright, so now the hardest part is probably taking this off the car. This thing is really heavy. So I think the BL 500,000 thing is the weight, so maybe, oh no, never mind. Well, actually, yeah, the capacity for this for a pair is 5,000 pounds. So it's not even the lower grade, like 3,500. I can technically carry something that's over 5,000, or not over, under 5,000 pounds with this jack here. So another good point there. Yeah, I need some help getting this down. Right, so for you guys who are unfamiliar with this, it does come with 2 sets of rubber blocks. That's where you're going to be setting your car in, right over here. So that's the height profile. So I'm guessing if you use that, you get a little bit more height. So you see, compare it to the lower one. But if you have a lowered car like that one, right, you probably want to use a low profile like that. And the way this works is you actually set this block right over here and set it where your pinch welds are in your car. Alright, so I'm gonna try this with me on the jack stand. Now I don't recommend this, so don't try this at home because it might get a little dangerous. Alright, so as far as fitment, back sides fit, but I'm having a little bit of trouble putting it in with the block on this front side because of the lip. So you can see there. So I figure I can probably just use a small jack here and jack it up a little bit so it fits through. Because I tried putting it from the back, it still didn't work, but that way I can line it up properly and do that for the other side. It should be no problem. Not too much of a hassle. At least saves me some money from buying wood. Alright, so I actually got the QuickJack in there without using that small hand jack that I was talking about. All I have to do is kind of aim it this way. So I had the jack all the way back here and then aim it here. Since the back is, at least the lip is higher, so I kind of just inserted it through and then placed it like so. Same thing for the other side, and everything is hooked up, so I'm gonna go ahead and race it up. So I'm kind of excited for this moment. Alright, so the plan was for today is to take off the exhaust and the unequal length manifolds. So I've already got the exhaust. It's actually the next day now. out. You guys can see, and I actually sold it the next day, so I was able to sell it for around $350. So good enough for me there. Next step that I'm gonna do is the unequal link headers. Actually, also, usually people have a lot of trouble with those exhaust hangers, but I actually got this tool here from Amazon, which helps a lot in taking out those exhaust hangers. So usually those are the biggest problem of doing the exhaust work on this car, but yeah, just makes it a lot simpler. Alright, so I got the unequal link headers right over here. They're not in bad shape actually, so looks pretty good. A couple of stains here and there, but it should still be sellable, so it's gonna be going on for sale too. So I guess the next step is to put those stock headers back on there, the stock Catback, and as far as everything else sound wise or exhaust wise, it's gonna sound stock. Alright you guys, so headers are in, the stock parts, also the Catback is also in. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this car with basically all stock exhaust, and we're gonna go ahead and hear it. Alright, so here we go, stock exhaust system. So I'm just gonna let it warm up for a little bit, and then we'll go outside and kind of hear it. Well, I didn't expect it to die like that, so well, one thing to note is before I was taking off the flex fuel sensor, I read that the ethanol content of the fuel right now is around 12%, so that might be the reason for it. But start again, see what's happening. So it's still no check engine light there. That's fine. So I'm pretty sure it's something to do with that, because it can't really calibrate itself, right? There we go. So the ECU, I did pull the battery out, so the ECU is still kind of learning it, and it doesn't help that there's 12% ethanol content in there. Maybe, but as you guys can see right now, it looks to be holding good. So I'll let it warm up a bit, see what happens, see if it stays alive or not, but we will see. So while I'm idling it, something weird came up. The check engine light came up, and also the traction control. But then all of a sudden, in like, I guess 30 seconds, it came off. Well, so I'm not sure what's happening there. Well, I did actually read the code. I didn't delete the code, but I did read the code, and it was system 2 lean. I think it was P017 and P1170. The P1170 is what I'm trying to figure out. It's something to do with injectors, but then again, it came off, so seems to be doing better now. Before that though, here's the car on idle. So without the unequal length headers, you can actually hear the supercharger going, which is nice on its own, kind of. You hear that whine more, rather than the helicopter sound with the unequal length headers. And then go into the exhaust. I assume you guys know what stock exhaust would sound like. It sounds like nothing, like that. I'll go give you guys some revs too. Alright, so car is warmed up now. I'll give you guys a little bit of revs. And so one thing about the supercharger in this car is it does come with a blow up valve, but that blow up valve is not recirculated, so it just kind of vents into atmosphere, which is why if you guys haven't noticed, you hear that gushing of air sound. It's kind of, for me, it's kind of a love and hate kind of thing, because well, I guess it's just, I can't really explain it. Sometimes I like it, but sometimes it feels kind of, I don't know, for me it's laggy. Like when you let off the throttle, it takes like a couple seconds before it actually blows off. But that's probably just me, because I do prefer having a turbo rather than a supercharger. But I don't know, you guys can be the judge of that. So here we go. If I hold it, Yeah, I mean, it sounds good. It sounds like you're in a plane. But yeah, I really like it. Alright, so I guess the next step for now is to put the under panels back in there. And next thing I'm going to be doing is actually taking off the air oil separator kit from this car came with a Verus air oil separator. So the plan is to actually put that in my car because I've wanted that for a long time. Reason being is it's a service-free kind of system, so I bought the kit too. That makes it service-free. So that's already done. I'm gonna go ahead and sell my Radium dual catch-can. As much as I love that dual catch-can kit, I think I do prefer the Verus one. Just, I don't know, just for preference. But either way, both of them work great. So, and then after that, what else can I do? Well, the plan is to smog the car with the supercharger in. So I do have the carb sticker on it. Hopefully it should pass, and once it passes, that should be it. Either sell the car as is or keep parting it out some more. Alright, so I got the under panel back in there. All that's left to do is to bring down the car and go for a test drive. I figured I'd show you guys how to use this thing here. So to bring this car down, you first have to kind of put it up. So it goes up as far as it can go. And then you can go ahead and lift this thing up. You see how it's like that? And if it's like that, it locks onto this thing here. You just lift it up. Now it'll just slide through like so. So do the two sides. This side too. Alright, so from there you just press the down button and it should just go down like so. Here you have it. Alright, you guys, so I'm here doing an outro for this video here because when I took these, it was just kind of get it done kind of deal, because I was really scared of I guess what I did, you know, spending a lot of money for this kind of thing. So I just wanted to take everything apart, get rid of them, and then go on to the next one. That was really the point of this video. So I just wanted to give you guys an update of I guess why I've been gone so long. You would think with this quarantine thing I'd have a little bit more time to post out videos, but that's not the case. I'm actually going to school right now, so doing those online schooling still, and also interning for a company right now. So I do consider myself lucky because the company I'm interning for is an essential business, and we were able to keep working during these hard times. That does help me out financially, because what kind of college student would have savings to get through this epidemic without a job, right? I guess it's possible, but that's not me. I'm not that college student. So, well, anyway, hope everyone is doing well and safe and healthy and doing their part of trying to keep this epidemic from spreading, right? Staying at home. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know I'm still here. I haven't quit. Just had to take a little bit of a break just to get a breather. But as soon as this semester is over for me, at least. I hope to put out some more videos. And one more hint is, I guess I got another car, so hopefully you guys can stay tuned for that, find out what it is. And as always, thank you so much for watching, if you guys are still here. But as always, if you guys like this content, please consider subscribing. If you like this video, maybe it'll help out someday, just give it a like or a thumbs up. And if you got any questions or suggestions or anything at all, just leave that in the comments down below. So see you guys next time.